Hello everybody, I hope you have a good day. I'm here. I want to explain how do we use the Screencast-O-Matic application. The first step, we have to go to https screencast-o-matic.com or and click on the start recording for free button. And this next step, we click on the launch free recorder option. And the third step are this pop-up window may appear when we try to launch the recorder. If it does, click on Open Screen Recorder Launcher V2 Screen Recorder Launcher V2.0. But if we don't want this window to appear again, check the box that say always open these types of links in the society app. Then edit the settings for recording method, size, and narration. The size can be adjusted to 419 pixel until 720 pixel, and the window on our computer that was active or full screen, the size about 1019 pixel, or we can adjust which microphone to use for the narration, or we can turn it off if we did want to use it. Fifthly, so after that, select prevent to set hotkey for various commands. When you are done with the setting, and then click the close button. For just information, maximal time and computer audio for recording cannot be changed in the free version. And the next step, if we want to adjust the area being recorded, to manually change the size of the recording window, click and drag the white hands on the corner or sides of the frame to change the location of the recording window. Click and drag the central arrow. So we start recording. Click the record button to start recording your screen. After that, click and drag the black playback bar to move the window as it is recording. 9. Then click the pause button to temporarily stop recording. and then after we finish recording, to resume the record, click the record button, and to preview our recording, click the play button. So to jump to the next or previous point, we can pause the recording with click the next or previous row, and to clear the recording and start over, click the trash button. Finally, the ending of the step, when we are ready to save our recording, then click done. Thank you. Maybe just this from me, and last I say